I've honestly found the fastest way to become rich. And this is something that literally anyone can do. And I'm going to explain how this business model works later on in the video. But honestly, this business model can not only make you rich extremely quickly, not only does it allow you to work less hours a week, and in most cases, it actually requires no money to start, and the income potential is pretty much unlimited. And there are 17-year-olds, 18-year-olds, even 19-year-olds making well over 20, 30, 40, 50, 70k a month, all by leveraging two things: the online brand and this business model. There are even people that don't even have a social media presence. There are people that are doing this completely faceless, and they themselves are also making 20, 30, 40k a month. And I've done everything under the sun, right? I've done drop shipping, I've done affiliate marketing, I've made money through sponsorships. Everything else that I did to make money online I thought was great. However, when I came across this business model, not only has it changed my life, but I've seen how it can change other people's lives too. For example, you'll see in front of you right now, this is a screenshot of a conversation with one of my clients, right? They were making around 2 to 3k a month in their job. And after working with me, they were able to make 6 grand in one day. Yes, you heard me correctly. £6,000, which I think is around $7,500 in one single day. And that was because he used the methods that I taught him to, make that kind of money. However, this isn't about me. This isn't about my client. This isn't about anything else. I just wanted to show you what's possible. And I myself have been able to make some crazy money because of this business model. Now you're probably asking, what is this business model? How does it work? How can I make money from it? Well, I'm going to explain exactly how it works and just sort of break it down step by step. Now, this business model works in 4 steps. You've got traffic, you've got funnels, you've got sales calls, and then you've got value. Now, traffic, quite self-explanatory. Traffic can be from social media like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Traffic can also be ads, like paid ads. And by utilizing traffic, you then send those people into a funnel. Now, a funnel can be like, a video VSL. It can be a calendar booking page. It can be sending people to another social media platform like Instagram. From there, you get those people to then book in a call with you. And then on that call, you then pitch your service and get those customers to convert. And then the final step, which is value, well, that's just you providing value. So what is this business called? Well, this business is a coaching business. Honestly, there are so many people doing this and they are making crazy money. Now, you're probably asking, if so many people are doing this, surely this is saturated. I can tell you one thing, in this particular business model, saturation is a very good thing, because if a ton of people are doing it, it just shows it's working. But not only that, if you can teach a unique skill, you can easily stand out from the rest. So how do you provide value in this business model? So let me just tell you exactly what this business is. So it's a coaching business where you do one-to-one mentorship teaching a specific skill. Now let me give you some examples, okay? There is a woman teaching people how to knit and she makes $18,000 a month. There is a person teaching people how to stop drinking alcohol. He's making around $85,000 a month. There is another person teaching people how to get a six-pack. He makes over $160,000 a month. And all of these people, all they are doing is teaching a skill. Now, you're probably watching this and saying, I don't have a skill. I don't think there's a skill that I have that I can make some serious money from. Trust me, everyone has a skill. And it's funny because all of my clients, pretty much every single client, when they joined my program, they all said to me they don't have a skill. And literally after our first call, I was able to get 10 skills out of them. So this just shows that everyone has a skill. It's just that you haven't identified it yet. And if we can unlock that, and if we can unlock that knowledge that you have, for example, like you could have a skill in your brain that is worth 10, 20, 30, 40k a month, but you're not aware of it, and it's just a case of unlocking it. So how do you make so much money doing this? Well, it's basically selling services to high ticket clients. For example, the person who's got a program on how to stop drinking alcohol, he charges $8,000 a month. So you can already see from this, if he just gets one client, he makes 8k a month. Now, in my opinion, the high ticket price is anything over $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, and that can either be a one-off payment or it can be monthly recurring. Now, if it's a one-off payment, you've got to remember that if it, let's say $4,000, you're going to need to try and attract 2 clients every month. However, if you're selling a program for $8,000 a month, well, you've got that one client, and as long as they stay on your program, you'll be making 8k a month. And honestly, this is one of the fastest ways to make money online. And I've done almost everything to make money online. I actually created this channel initially when I, switched to the finance niche to find different ways to make money online. You can check out some of my previous videos. You can see, I've tried everything to make money online: affiliate marketing, drop shipping. I've used different platforms to try and make money online. And albeit I did make money doing those methods, using the business model that I talked about in this video has made me more money than all of those combined. And this is why I say in this video, I found the fastest way to become rich. Because just in the first month of starting this business model, I've made more money than all of those other methods combined. And literally, this is the most beginner-friendly business model that anyone can do. And the reason why I say this is beginner friendly, because I'll give you another example. This is another one of my clients, and he made $5,000 in 2.5 weeks of working with me. And he was shocked when he made that kind of money. And the reason he was able to make that money was because I was able to teach him something he doesn't know. Again, it's like teaching someone to stop drinking alcohol. That person that's teaching has gone through it themselves. They know what works. Like me, I've done this business model a lot of times and I understand what works. I understand how you can make money from it. So me teaching this to someone else who is a beginner, and as long as they take everything I say on board, they were able to get their first client in 2.5 weeks. Now guys, if this is something that you want to do and you want help with it, well, you can either DM me on Instagram or you can book in a call by clicking the link in the description, and we'll jump on a call and I'll see if we're a good fit to work together. So guys, if you want a full breakdown on this business model, I have made a full video around this. It should be somewhere on your screen right now. So just click on that video and I'll see you guys there.